Imagine this, folks. You buy a second-hand iPhone, and everything looks perfect. But then you turn it on and see that dreaded activation lock screen. Or maybe you've just forgotten your own passcode after not using your phone for a few days. Getting locked out of your iPhone is incredibly frustrating, but it doesn't have to be permanent. I'm Daniel, and today we're looking at Wondershare DrFone Screen Unlock. Friends, this is a tool that claims to bypass iPhone security locks safely and quickly. I'm going to show you exactly how it works. We'll test it on a real disabled device, and I'll give you my honest take on whether it's worth your money. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. Let's dive in. Guys, DrFone Screen Unlock is a handy little module within the toolkit that handles locked devices. The feature specifically targets different types of iPhone and Android protections. It supports multiple unlock scenarios, including forgotten passcodes, disabled screens, and even iCloud activation locks. The software works with both Apple and Android devices, using different methods for different restrictions. Folks, what makes it interesting is the promise of data preservation in certain cases. Some unlocks can happen without losing your files, though this depends heavily on your specific device and iOS version. The tool also handles various screen security methods. This includes Face ID, Touch ID, 4 or 6-digit pins, etc. It even works with devices that have been disabled due to too many wrong attempts. But does it actually deliver on these claims? We'll find out. Guys, let me show you the actual process. I've got a locked iPhone here that we'll use for testing. This particular device has been sitting unused for months, and the owner completely forgot the passcode. First, I'm downloading DrFone from the official Wondershare website. The installation on Windows is pretty straightforward, folks. Once launched, you'll see the main dashboard with all the available tools. The interface is clean and intuitive. Multiple tools are available, but the feature we want is Screen Unlock. I'm connecting the locked iPhone via USB cable. The software automatically detects the device model and iOS version. In this case, guys, it's recognizing that my iPhone 12 is running iOS 18. Now it's asking me to choose the unlock type. For phone screen locks, I select the first option, which handles passcode removal. The software identifies my specific model and displays detailed device information. It also warns about potential data loss, which is important to know upfront, folks. This transparency is actually reassuring because it sets proper expectations. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. Now I need to put the device into DFU mode, which stands for Device Firmware Update Mode. The software provides step-by-step instructions with visual guides that are actually quite helpful. For my iPhone model, I press volume up, then volume down, then hold the power button. The timing is specific, but the on-screen guide makes it clear with countdown timers, folks. This takes a few minutes depending on your internet speed. The download size is typically around 4 to 6 gigabytes, so make sure you have enough space and a stable connection. While that downloads, let me explain what's happening behind the scenes. The software is preparing specialized firmware to bypass the lock screen security without permanently damaging the device. And this isn't some sketchy hack, guys. It's using legitimate Apple firmware modified to skip the passcode verification step. The device is now in recovery mode, and the phone is ready for firmware installation. The app begins the unlock process automatically. This is where the actual magic happens, folks. The progress bar shows firmware installation stages. My iPhone screen goes through various states during this process, including boot screens and recovery indicators. The software is essentially replacing the current iOS installation with a fresh one that doesn't have the passcode restriction. It's a clean slate approach, rather than trying to crack the existing security. This is why data loss occurs, guys, but it also ensures the unlock actually works. And there we have it. The unlock process completed successfully. The iPhone boots up to the welcome screen asking for initial setup. And you need no password, folks. The device is completely functional and ready to be set up as new. The entire process took about 15 minutes. Most of that was download time for the firmware package. Guys, DrFone Screen Unlock delivers on its promise. It simplifies what would otherwise be a complex manual process, with clear guides and progress indicators. Keep in mind, though, most unlocks mean a factory reset, so data loss is likely. Backup if possible before starting. For genuine unlock needs, the tool is reliable and backed by a trusted company with responsive support. It's a practical option for occasional device emergencies, folks. Feel free to check out the links in the description below. You might find some discounts there. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Until next time.